this is a very different animal, very elusive. It's very shy, so
Very sensitive.
very sensitive. So that's why we have to minimize our voices and take pictures. We'll approach it slowly, slowly, slowly. It might be hiding somewhere.
But you really know where. They just told you the place and you know where.
Oh
My gosh, it's right in front. I
Wow,
think
wow,
the Garas
wow,
there.
wow.
So nice. Did you see? Didn't see.
So, folks, please, let's minimize our voice.
Si Phil, galit na galit sa akin. Nung daw ako maingay. Si Phil, kanina pa ako. Miss ko. Sakit na lang siya.
What's your leopard? It's looking at us. Ay, makapang. So it's inside the bush. Yeah, Roger.
Si Phil, sobrang
You know,
Huwag daw ako maingay. Kasi yung leopard is running away from us.